Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? I hope well. Time for a channel shout out. This is Monday. I actually had to find someone to do a shout out for, so there may not be very many of these coming up, but it's a channel I recently subbed. It's Meush Outdoors, M-E-U-S-H. I could be saying it wrong because I believe he's or across the pond where he shoots his videos, so I've been digging his content though. Pretty good stuff. Of course, the link will be down in the description, but it may not work. They don't tend to. But then the same link will be in the end card, which I heard works, so go figure. YouTube, come on man, get your stuff together. With that, I'd like to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits, crew to our veterans. All of you are appreciated. And let's not forget, of course, 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. Wish our country did more for them, but I'm not the one calling the shots. Anyway, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.